Beautifully updated, this Hallinan Heights home offers the perfect blend of comfort, flexibility, and exceptional outdoor living in one of Lake Oswego's most sought-after neighborhoods. Just minutes from George Rogers Park, indoor and outdoor recreation options, top-rated schools, and downtown Lake Oswego, this home offers a lifestyle that's as functional as it is inviting. Thoughtfully designed, you'll find over 2,300 square feet of flexible living space. From the hardwood floors throughout to the vaulted beam ceilings, no detail is overlooked. It's easy to create unforgettable gatherings with a backyard that feels like your own private resort. The updated kitchen is both stylish and inviting, blending sleek, bright finishes with warm wood accents, creating a modern yet welcoming space that flows seamlessly into two separate dining areas. One of the home's standout features is its versatility. The main-level primary suite offers a private deck overlooking the fully turfed backyard with a putting green, offering low-maintenance outdoor living and entertaining space. In addition to the primary suite's updated bathroom and upgraded closet, you'll find an additional primary suite or guest suite upstairs, complete with its own private deck. Plus another updated bath and walk-in closet. With 5 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, the flexible layout is ideal for everyday living, entertaining, or multi-generational living. Relax beneath the heated covered pergola with skylights, unwind in the hot tub, or gather around the fire pit. And a backyard studio is ready to be your dedicated workspace or creative retreat in this private, peaceful setting. If you've been looking for a home that's beautifully updated, incredibly versatile, and built for making memories both indoors and out, this Hallinan Heights property is one you won't want to miss. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.